Welcome back. We've got a beautiful tuna pasta dish. It's always great when you can just turn to the pantry, see what you've got in there. We've got a can of tuna in there, bottle of passata, a little bit of light cream or heavy cream, 1 onion, some chilli, and you are good to go for a beautiful, simple dish that will please most people, even people that aren't really 100% sure on tuna pasta. I've converted quite a few people with this particular recipe. That kick of chili, or whether it's the fact that this one's in a pink sauce, and of course we top it with a beautiful pecorino cheese. This one is, again, it's a very quick sauce. Let's not waste any more time. We'll go through all the ingredients. All the detailed amounts will be in the description as normal. And can I say, I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing. Channel's really been picking up a bit of momentum lately. And for you guys that haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps us out. Keeps us motivated to keep going. I'm really enjoying what I'm doing, sharing all these recipes, and for you guys to do them yourself and enjoy with your family and friends. Okay, let's get stuck into the ingredients. Okay, some olive oil, salt and pepper. There's some chili, got some fresh chili and some dry chili flakes, either or. Got some good quality Italian style tuna. Try and get the best tuna you can get. Make sure it's yellow fin. In oil, if you can't get it in oil, the one in brine should be okay, but I always try and go with the oil one. Just 1 onion, some pecorino cheese, some flat leaf parsley which I've already chopped up. Probably need half a bottle of passata for this recipe. Some light cream or heavy. And today we're using some beef agnolotti. Okay, so it's already nutritional due to the tuna. We might as well have a bit of beef in there as well. Make it a bit more of a higher protein dish for you health conscious people. Let's do this onion. Let's get over to the stove and start on the sauce. The first thing I've done is put the pot on, the water, put the pan, turn on the heat, nice amount of olive oil. Reduce it to a medium heat. We want that to cook for a good 2 minutes. Add our chilli. Some fresh stuff in there as well. Salt and pepper. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Looking great. Now we put in the tuna. About half a can of the large can. Okay, break it up in there. Leave it on a low heat. Our water's boiling. Put in a good amount of sea salt. Agnolotti go in. Okay, we increase the heat of the sauce to about a medium. Put in our parsley. We get our passata. Just increase the heat, get it to a simmer. I would say 1 minute at a low simmer. At this point, probably put in about 150 ml of the cream. You can leave it on low. There's our beautiful pink sauce. In the meantime, our agnolotti are going beautifully. They'll need another few minutes. It's been a few minutes. That sauce is so thick already. It's just been on low. Look at that. So luxurious. Agnolotti are ready. So at this point, we can transfer them straight into the pan. Crank up the heat. Finish it off in the sauce. We add some beautiful pecorino. Reduce it a little bit more. Give it another minute. You'll get to know when the sauce is ready. Once you start doing a few of these pasta dishes in the pan, just a matter of practice. When the sauce is ready and when it reduces. That is ready to serve up.